This is Ann Beeson, the Executive Director of the Center for Public Policy Priorities. We are busy getting ready for the next legislative session, which starts in January. We're meeting with lawmakers, wrapping up our research projects, and drafting policy solutions that will help all Texans succeed. I'm here with a quick update on our 2017 legislative priorities. Because we love Texas, the Center for Public Policy Priorities is committed to understanding what's driving us forward and what's holding us back. Let's face it, right now, too many Texans are working full-time and are still unable to make ends meet for their families. We have too many low-wage jobs and more people without health insurance than any other state. And despite the wealth in our state, more than 1 in 4 Texas children live in poverty. That is shameful and should be unacceptable in Texas. Public policies have contributed to the gap between rich and poor in our state, and public policies can close that gap. That's why we at the Center are bringing our data and policy solutions to the Capitol to propose solutions that will help all Texans reach their full potential. Here's a quick update on what our policy wonks will be doing this legislative session. First, we will work with legislators to protect and expand access to affordable health care. Inaction by Texas leaders has put at risk over $6 billion a year in health care funds for Texans. Decisions in Texas and Washington could leave over 1 million uninsured Texans without care that they qualify for, and also threaten over 1 million more Texans with loss of their coverage under the ACA. And those funding decisions could force more rural hospitals to close, hospitals that serve Texans when they need care the most. Second, we'll work to improve the way we fund our public schools so all Texans can get a quality education. We haven't updated elements of our school funding formula in over 30 years, and they are badly in need of a remodel. That's why we're building a computer model that will show the impact of specific funding proposals on each district in Texas. And we will expose the dangers of diverting public school resources to voucher programs, which are out of reach for most low-income families and also families that live in rural areas of Texas. Finally, we will make the case for public investments that will secure a strong future for our state. To avoid drastic cuts in healthcare and education, we will make the case to use part of the rainy day fund if needed. That's what it's there for, to maintain vital state services in the case of an economic downturn. And we'll make sure that cities and counties have the ability to collect the public revenue they need to support our schools, law enforcement, healthcare, and all of the other services that we rely on. Be sure to check out all of our legislative policy priorities. We need your help to dare Texas to be the best state for hardworking people and their families. Let's get to work.